Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to be looking at what is destructuring JavaScript and how can we implement it inside an object. So, for example, as you can take a look at your screen, then we do have an object with the properties of name, age, and designation. And what I want to do, if I want to fetch any of the properties outside an object, then I can do something like this: object.name. Then it will return me the value of that property, right? Or if we want to use the bracket notation, then we can do something like this, right? And let me tell you one more thing, that after the ES6, JavaScript has introduced a feature which is called destructuring. It can be applied on two method, two built-in objects. The first one is object itself and the second one is arrays, right? But in this video we will be talking about the object destructuring. So instead of this assigning the name of this constant object, you can do something like this. You can directly fetch the values from the object which is defined inside the object. Then instead of doing this, you can paste the property name. Then as you can see that it is returning me David. If I come over here and write designation, it will return me software engineering, and it is returning me software engineering. If you don't want to define the destructuring over here, then you can do something like this as well. Const equal to obj, then it will also do the same thing, right? It's totally up to you. If you want to destructure only name from an object, then it's totally up to you. It will return you the name. It will return you the value of the name as well. So it's totally up to you whether you want to destructure one property or the multiple properties. You can do it using the destructure with whatever you want. So this is it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.